Welcome. Today I will cook Palang Begun or Spinach Eggplant or Brinjal. It's a traditional Bengali or Bong vegetarian recipe. It's a side dish that is served along with hot steamed rice or roti. It can be prepared for a day-to-day meal, festivals, Bengali religious vegetarian meal, and God's food offering. I share 4 or more recipes every month. Quickly click the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive all my tasty recipes. Do share, like, and comment below. I reply to all. Follow me on social media as well. Heat cooking oil about 5 tablespoons in a pan. In the meantime, I have taken diced eggplant or brinjal, 2 medium or 6 cups. Washed it and drained water. Add turmeric powder half teaspoon. And salt half teaspoon. Mix well. I mixed eggplant with turmeric powder and salt in a strainer so that excess salt and turmeric powder falls off. It is optional. Now oil is hot. Pour eggplant into the oil. Fry it in high heat till golden brown. Heat oil about 4 tablespoons in a masala pan. Add bay leaf 1, dry red chili 2, split into 2. Panch foron, half teaspoon, and black mustard seeds 1 teaspoon. Fry in low heat till the mustard seeds stop popping. Otherwise, when we bite mustard seed, it tastes bitter. Add fried masala to the eggplant. This step is not captured for technical issue. Add spinach, 2 thick bundles or 8 cups. Cut into small pieces, washed it and drained water. Add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Cook in high heat till it is cooked. In the meantime, heat oil 1 teaspoon. Add chopped garlic 1/4 cup or 2 tablespoons. Fry till golden brown in medium to high heat. It is a must. Instead of chopped garlic, we can also use garlic paste 2 tablespoons and fry till the smell of garlic becomes less. I skip garlic while making Bengali religious vegetarian recipe, but it gives a very nice taste to the curry. Now garlic is golden brown. Add garlic to the curry. Add green chili 4 split into 2. Mix well. Cook in high heat for 10 minutes or till the water evaporates. As you can see, water from spinach is coming out. The curry will be cooked in its own water. Do not cover with a lid, otherwise the water will not evaporate unless you want it that way. As you can see, the water has reduced. The curry is done as the eggplant and spinach have become very soft and dry. Cut an eggplant to check if it is done. It cuts into 2 pieces. It means it's perfectly cooked. Taste it. Add whatever is required. It's perfect for me. Leave it aside without any lid. It will dry further. I will serve it hot with hot steamed rice. It serves 3 to 4 people. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to encourage me. Follow me on social media. I will be back with another tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.